Welcome to the world of the Honda Zero SUV, where cutting-edge design meets unmatched performance. As we take a closer look at its exterior, you'll notice the bold, dynamic lines that define this luxury SUV. From the front, the Honda Zero showcases a powerful, confident stance with its sleek, modern grille, sharply designed LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that not only enhance its visual appeal, but also its performance on the road. Every curve, every detail is carefully crafted to provide both elegance and efficiency, ensuring the car stands out wherever it goes. Moving to the side view, you'll appreciate the refined, athletic profile of the Honda Zero SUV. The expansive, smooth surface of the doors and the distinct alloy wheels give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The wide stance and subtle sculpting across the body highlight its sleek aerodynamics, offering not just beauty, but improved performance and fuel efficiency. The open doors reveal the spacious cabin, where luxury and practicality come together, ensuring comfort for all passengers. The Honda Zero is more than just a car. It's a statement of luxury, power, and style. But the excitement doesn't end here. Stay with us as we reveal the price, offering you the perfect combination of performance and value. We'll be unveiling it at the end of the video, so stick around. Now, let's step inside the Honda Zero SUV and experience the luxurious interior. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the spacious cabin designed for comfort and style. The plush seating is upholstered in premium materials, offering support and sophistication for both the driver and passengers. The modern dashboard features sleek, high-tech controls, seamlessly integrating advanced technology with intuitive usability. From the digital display to the advanced infotainment system, every feature is designed to enhance your driving experience. The attention to detail continues throughout, with quality finishes, soft-touch surfaces, and ample legroom that ensures every journey is enjoyable. The ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, creating an inviting atmosphere that complements the cutting-edge design. Whether you're driving solo or with passengers, the interior of the Honda Zero SUV delivers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience for every road trip. Stay with us as we explore more of this incredible vehicle, including the price and value it offers at the end of the video. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits and value that the Honda Zero SUV brings to the table. This isn't just about a beautiful design or luxurious interior. It's about what's under the hood and how it elevates your driving experience. The Honda Zero offers advanced safety features like collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making every journey safer for you and your loved ones. Whether you're driving on the highway or navigating through the city, the Honda Zero ensures peace of mind with its top-tier safety technology. In terms of comfort, the Honda Zero excels with its spacious cabin and user-friendly infotainment system. It's equipped with a premium sound system, smartphone connectivity, and adjustable seating to ensure that every ride is as enjoyable as it is practical. Plus, its fuel efficiency and smooth driving performance mean fewer stops at the gas station, while still delivering the power you need for all your adventures. Let's dive into the performance of the Honda Zero SUV, where power and precision come together to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, the Honda Zero is equipped with a state-of-the-art turbocharged engine, delivering a perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Whether you're accelerating on the highway or tackling winding roads, this SUV offers responsive handling and a smooth, comfortable ride. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, the Honda Zero ensures exceptional traction in all driving conditions, providing stability and control whether you're driving in rain, snow, or off-road terrain. The engine's impressive horsepower gives you the power you need, while its innovative suspension system absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, ensuring that the ride is always smooth and composed. It's the perfect combination of performance and practicality, making the Honda Zero ideal for both urban environments and adventurous road trips. Moreover, the Honda Zero SUV's driving modes allow you to tailor your experience to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a sportier feel or a more comfortable cruise, the vehicle adapts to your needs with ease. The intuitive steering and precise braking system give you complete control, enhancing your driving confidence at every turn. From city streets to rugged trails, The Honda Zero SUV delivers a performance that's as dynamic and versatile as you are. With its powerful engine, responsive handling, and adaptable driving modes, the Honda Zero ensures that every journey is an unforgettable experience. Whether you're looking for adventure or simply seeking an enjoyable drive, the Honda Zero exceeds expectations every time. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews and futuristic designs.